Alright, well here we are at Archerfield. This time Nathan's in the driver's seat, I'm in the passenger seat. I've had my nervous peak. And we're about to get out and check out the track. It's getting busy out there. Got the cars making a bit of noise. Are you good to go?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I am.
You are nervous?
Yes.
Alright, let's get out there. Have some fun.
Yeah.
What did Luke Fink just tell you? Have a ball or put it in the wall.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Broken hand and first time in.
Oh, look at that. You'll be right.
Broke his hand the other day.
Magic.
Rightio.
What do I do?
Just drive it. Get once you get around there and have a look where the track goes.
Yeah.
Around this white thing. Yep. Give it a little bit. And then it goes around that way. Around that way. That's it. Then reverse. So you got to catch that. Yeah. In the first.
Yeah. I don't know how
Yeah, it's a bit slippery, so do it again. Do it again. How you feeling there, Nathan? 15 minutes in? Tense?
Yeah.
There you go. And watch for that island, no brakes, okay?
Yeah.
Brakes are wrecking you. Turn in. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Bit, move it. Off, 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 off. Yep. You gotta throw that steering wheel back. Right back. That's it. Throw it back, throw it back. That's it. Better.
Yeah.
See what I mean? You cannot steer fast enough by turning it with your hands. You have to throw that steering wheel. Don't worry about those guys behind you. Alright, Nathan's had about 20 minutes and he's learning to steer really fast, aren't you, son? Yeah. Let's see what he can do this time. Round you go. That's it. In. Not quite enough. Do it again. Back off. Try again. That's it. Back up. Bring it back. Magic. Much better. Much better. Yeah? Okay, keep it steady. Slow down for him. You're alright. Do what he just did. Keep into it. Out wide. Spin it around. Off, 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 off. That's it. And around this one. Do it again. Off, off. Much, much better.
Yeah.
Much better.
Getting there.
Getting there. Well, it's getting hectic now, Nate. That's it. Keep it nice and smooth around here. Catch it. That's it. Catch it. Well done. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Beautiful. That'll do. Keep going. Keep going. Back. Catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. Power, 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 power. That'll do. That'll do. That's fine. Well done. Enjoy that?
Yes.
Come on. Let's go again. Yeah. Nice work. That's right. See how you didn't back off too suddenly?
Yeah.
Didn't bite you. Steady. Don't overdo it. Forget it, forget it, forget it. No, you got it. And power it out, power it out, power it out. Good work. You really don't want to hit that red thing, okay?
Yeah.
Keep going. Yep. Yep, keep going. Good work. You found a groove. You're flicking that steering wheel.
Yeah.
I like it. Catch it. That's it. Well done. And again, back this way. Into it, into it, into it. Yep. Into it. Something's changed.
Yeah.
Something's changed in you in the last couple of minutes.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. I even caught up to someone.
Ah, give him his room. There you go. Go. Turn right back in tight. That's it. Keep it going. Flick around this one. Drive it out. 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 That's it. Good balancing of the throttle, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. Well done. Good work.
That was fun. I was understeer.
Yeah, my semi-slick's copping a hiding there.
Yeah.
All right, balance it around here for me. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going, keep it going. Into it. Keep it going. Find a spot through those witches' hats. That'll do.
That
Yeah.
was a bad one, sorry. I didn't completely lose it though.
Do it. You can do it. That's it. Keep it going. Back, back, back. Into it. Back. Catch, 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 catch. Beautiful. Over there. Yes. And power it out. Go. Power it out. Power it out. Power it out. Power it out. Steady. Nice work. Feel good?
Yeah.
Yep. Don't let it off too much. See how it bit you?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Keep it on, keep it on, keep it on. Keep it on, keep it on. Keep it on. Away you go. Power it out.
That was good as.